I'm going to show you how to create a sealed joint in an XP splice. We're going to insert the Sift Free Foam behind the belt stops and behind the belt. We're going to insert the XP fasteners into the bed as we would a standard installation. Then we're going to insert the Sift Free Foam behind the belt stops and insert the belt up against the belt stops. And we would follow the standard XP installation. After installation, bring your two belt ends together and insert your hinge pin. And that's how we create an XP sealed joint.